Hi guys, now I am with a boy who is very interested in speaking this language. He wanted to speak yesterday too, but I was the one who could not give my time to him to speak. But now, let's see how he just speaks here, and let's see how beautifully he shows his feelings in his words in this language. So, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay, all right. So, what is your name?
My name is Ajit Kumar Bhai.
Okay, that's very nice. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name.
Who gave you this name? Your father, your mother, or who?
My father gives me.
Your father gave you this name.
Yes,
Okay, very nice. In which class do you study?
I study in 9th class.
You study ninth class. Do you go to school every day?
No, I do not go to school every day
What's the reason? Why do you not go to school every day?
because I have many work.
That is
If,
why you do not go.
yes,
Or do you earn money by working outside?
yes, sometimes I work outside.
Okay, very nice. I'm really impressed with your speaking. Just can you look there? Uh, what are they both doing?
They
Huh?
study here
No, here. What are they both doing right now?
right now.
Yeah, right now, what they are doing?
They are
Huh?
studying.
They are studying. Are they both your friends or not?
Yes, they both my
They
friends.
both are your friends. Do you love playing cricket or football?
I both.
You
I
like both.
I like both.
You like both. Okay, very nice. Do you take a bath or not?
I take a bath.
You take a bath.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like to wake up early in the morning?
No, I do not like.
To wake up early.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, are you enjoying learning this language or not? Learning this English?
Yes, I enjoying learning this language.
Okay, very nice. Who supports you to learn this language? Your father or your mother?
My family supports me.
Okay, that's very nice. Now, does your family ask you about this English? Like, Ajit, how are you studying nowadays? Are you able to speak this English or not? Do they ask you?
No, they do not ask me.
They do not ask you anything.
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So, what do you think actually? Are you improving your English or not?
Yeah,
Huh?
I improving my
You are
English.
improving your English. Okay,
Yes.
that's very nice. So, yeah, I can clearly say and confidently say that, and proudly I can say that you are improving your English. And uh, the way you are speaking right now within 3 months, so we can say, yeah, it's a huge achievement that you have achieved right now. And if you practice in this way for more a couple of months, then definitely you can achieve that level also in this language, where you can hypnotize people in your speaking, and very fabulously you will be speaking as well. So by the way, thank you so much for talking to me here, and yeah, it was nice conversation with you. Thank you. So guys, here I'm going to end this video. So he spoke very well, and other students also spoke here. They gave their best. Yeah, some of them got confused while speaking, because they belong to village, and to speak in front of camera seems like a big dilemma. Okay, so that's why they could not articulate their thoughts, but I believe in myself that I will make them speak very comfortably, fluently here sooner or later. So to was their confidence till then, you have to subscribe to this channel, and if you have any intention to talk about them, then yeah, that comment box is always open. Just go there and share your opinions and thoughts about our performance here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. So have a nice day.